Hey, this is Andy from Long Island Mopars, and you're tuning into Punishment, the story of how I came to own my 1979 Plymouth Volare. If you've been to this channel already, you may have seen the story of my 1977 Plymouth Volare, the life and death of it. Well, at the end of that video, I mentioned that my punishment for wrecking that car was to buy another Volare. This punishment was doled out by my dad. So what you're looking at here is what I wound up purchasing in 1989. Bought it out of Rosedale, New York, with only 59,000 original miles. As you see it is how I bought it, with the busted front grille. It was dark metallic brown. I think the paint code on it was called Sable Sunfire. But my friends and I will refer to it as the UPS staff car because it was definitely UPS brown. This was actually a good looking car with a 2-barrel Super 6. It'll change a little bit through the years that I owned it, but it was pretty neat. Well, just like with the 77 Volare, we put a new grill in it. And yes, back then you could buy a brand new grill from Bayside Chrysler Plymouth. I think it was around $120. I probably still have the receipt just for memorabilia. And this is what she looked like afterwards. New grill, waxed. I think I used new finish at the time. And she came out really good. You know, back in the day, you put air shocks in the back of your 4-door UPS staff car Volare, and you put about 90 pounds of air in it. That picture was taken at the Long Island Railroad Station in Port Washington, New York. Well, I said the Volare would change over the years, and put fog lights on your 4-door UPS staff car Volare. It kind of looked good at night with the parking lights on anyway, and that was kind of like the theme I was going for. And with the headlights, it still looked good in somebody's rearview mirror, but I don't think I was intimidating anybody. Of course, we got some good winters in Queens, New York back in the early 90s. And as you can tell, the city didn't come to plow. I don't know what the heck that thing was, but this was at Captree, Captree State Park, where the fishing boats go in and out of. This thing was parked in the lot. I had no idea what it was, but I had to park next to it. Finally, one of the last pictures of the Volare before I wound up giving it to my dad. This is actually at Love Lane in Mattituck, New York, out on Long Island. This was the Tank Museum. In 1994, I gave the car to my dad, and he drove it for a few more years. It was burning a lot of oil. It had a lot of rust in the front K-member, and at some point it wouldn't pass inspection. So thanks for watching and listening to the story of my 1979 Plymouth Volare that I nicknamed Punishment. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Till next time, take care.